Hello! This is a product review for the Wybot Osprey 200 cordless robotic pool cleaner. I purchased the cleaner robot in mid-May 2023. I have used it about 15 times and get a 55-minute runtime from this little robotic cleaner. I think of it as an aquatic Roomba, and it has far exceeded my expectations. I have a small dipping pool, and this cleaner will randomly drive around my pool and cover the entire pool at least twice. I am always amazed at how much small sand and stuff this robot will pick up. The robot cleaner seems pretty durable. It does bump the pool walls, so there are a few scratches and scrapes on the robot. It's not a very smart robot. It just goes until it bumps into the wall and changes direction by turning on the jet to go in the opposite direction, but gets the job done. You can use the included hook, attach it to the pole that you already have if you own a pool, and gently lift it out of the water when it stops moving. It is very easy to clean. It takes about 2 minutes with a garden hose. It takes about 5 hours for a full charge. I highly recommend this little robot cleaner for a small pool.